How to log in to PowerSchool Student Portal. Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can sign into PowerSchool student and parent account. So the first thing you can do is search for PowerSchool login or simply search for PowerSchool student login. Tap on the first link that you see here, powerschool.com. And once you tap on it, you'll be taken over to their official website. Now right on top you'll find the logins where you have parents and student login. Tap on that particular button there. You could also manage your cookies down below if they're asking for it. Alright, so for parents and students login, you can just go ahead and search by product name and then tap on go. And if you just want to log into whichever you want, so let's say if you want to log into PowerSchool community, tap on this and you'll be taken over to the login page. So all you have to do here is provide your username and password. If you forgot username or password, you can just tap on this button down below to recover it. You're gonna have to provide your email address and set a new password for it. You'll get a link on your email that allows you to reset your password. Just enter your email below and look for the email from PowerSchool. That is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.